This is Jasmine and we are going to solve a few questions based on inequalities and modulus, and they all are going to be data sufficiency questions. Let me write down all the 5 options here: A, B, D, C, E. Okay. A stands for statement A alone is sufficient. B stands for statement B alone is sufficient. D means either statement A or statement B are sufficient. C means both statement A and B together are sufficient, and E means neither nor. Alright, let's start with statement A. Statement A says that m square is equal to 6m. Can I cancel m from both the sides and say m is equal to 6? No, we cannot do that unless you know the value of m. So how we are going to solve it? We will write down m square minus 6m is equal to 0. Take m common, then I will write m minus 6 is equal to 0. Product of two numbers is 0. It means that either m is 0 or m minus 6 is 0. That says m is equal to 6. Do we get a definite answer from statement 1? No, because from this we get m is equal to 0 or m equal to 6. We do not have a definite answer. So A is gone. So with that, D is also gone. Always remember, while solving data sufficiency questions, if A is not the answer, then D is also not the answer. If A is not the answer, then D is also not the answer. So you can cancel it easily. Alright, statement B. Statement B says that m is even, which means m can be 0, it can be 2, 4, 6 or so on. There are multiple possibilities for m. Do I have a definite answer? No. So we can rule out B as well. Let's see if together they can help to get a definite answer or not. Together, from the first statement we have m equal to 0 or m equal to 6, and statement B says that m is even. Yes, they both are even. So even after combining both the statements, I can say that either m is equal to 0 or m equal to 6. I don't have a definite answer. That means C is also gone. So that means we can say that E is the answer for this question. E stands for neither statement A nor statement B is sufficient to answer the question is m equal to 6 or not. The second question says that is x equal to y. Let me write down all the 5 options in this way: A, B, D, C and E here. Okay, the first question is x equal to y? The first statement says that ax is equal to ay. As you know, we cannot cancel the variables from either side unless we know its value. So we will be solving it like this. Ax minus ay is equal to 0. Take a outside and I can write down x minus y equal to 0. Product of two numbers is 0. That means any one of them is 0. Either a is 0 or x minus y equal to 0. That means x is equal to y. Do I have a definite answer? No. We can cancel a. Along with that, we can also rule out D. Statement B says that a square x is equal to a square y. I can solve it this way: a square x minus a square y is equal to 0. Take a square outside, so x minus y equal to 0. Product of two numbers is 0. That means any one of them is 0. So that means x is equal to y. Do I have a definite answer? A square is 0. That means a is 0. Do I have a definite answer? No. So that means B alone is also not sufficient. What if you combine both the statements? Even if we combine both the statements, it will not help, because the statement A was saying that either A is 0 or x equal to y, and the same thing we were getting from statement B also. That means together also they are not sufficient. So for this question, the answer must be option E, neither nor. Alright, let's see one more question. Question 3, it says that is x greater than y. These statements are ax is greater than ay. Second statement is a square x is greater than a square y. Let me write down all the 5 options this way. First statement, it says that ax is greater than ay. Can I cancel a from both the sides? No. Let's solve it this way. Subtracting ay from both the sides, it's greater than 0. Take a outside and x minus y is greater than 0. Product of two numbers is positive. Product of two numbers is positive. That means either both are positive or both are negative. So either a is positive and x minus y is positive. That means x is greater than y, or they both are negative. So that means a is less than 0 and x minus y is also 0, less than 0. That means x is less than y. So we can say that either x is greater than y or x is less than y. We do not have a definite answer. So a is not the answer. So along with that, D is also not the answer for this question. Let's see statement B. It says that a square x is greater than a square y. Subtract a square y from both the sides. So I will have a square x minus a square y is greater than 0. Take a square common. Inside the bracket, you will have x minus y. Product of two numbers is 0. That means either both are positive or both are negative. So a square is positive and x minus y is also positive. That means x is greater than y. Okay. Now, when both are negative, so a square is less than 0 and x minus y is also less than 0. Now wait, can I take a square as less than 0? We don't know the value of a, but it's square. It has to be either 0 or more than 0. It cannot be negative. So that means for this question, we cannot consider this possibility. So for this question, only this is true. Okay. So from this possibility, I can say that x is greater than y. Certainly we can say that x is greater than y. Sure. So our answer must be option B, because from statement B, I can say that yes, x is greater than y. Hence our answer is B for this question. Let's see one more question. Question 4 says that is P greater than Q? Let me write all the 5 options here in this way. The first statement says that P upon Q is equal to 8 by 7. Does it mean that P is greater than Q? No, because this is just the ratio. It can be negative 8 upon negative 7. It can be 16 upon 14, or it can be negative 16 upon negative 14. The common multiplier can be a positive number or a negative number, but the ratio will end up to 8 over 7. It doesn't mean that P is greater than Q. It can be this way also. Okay. So from this we can say that A alone is not sufficient, and if A is not sufficient, we can cancel D as well. Statement B says that P square is greater than Q square. So I can write it, P square minus Q square is greater than 0. I can write down P plus Q into P minus Q is greater than 0. Product of two numbers is more than 0. That means either both are positive or both are negative. And then from this, if both are positive, I can say that P is greater than Q. If both are negative, I can say that P is less than Q. Do I have a definite answer? No. What if I combine both the statements? It will be no help, because from the first statement we were getting that either it is greater than Q or P is less than Q. Same thing we were getting from statement B also. So even if you combine them, it will not help. So that means C is also not sufficient. That means for this question we can say that E is the answer. Neither A nor B is sufficient to get the answer whether P is greater than Q or not. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next video with some more questions. Until then, bye-bye.